Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Updated device and Apple AI enabled in settings so processing is available. Once done, make sure your Apple ID is signed in and iCloud Notes Sync is active so AI can access context. Next, open Notes and either create a new note or pick an existing one. Then locate and tap the AI icon to initiate suggestions. This gets you into the AI workflow without wasting time on basic setup, and ensures once the AI pane appears, you guide it with clear prompts like summarize, expand, outline, or convert to action items so results match your intent. Make sure to highlight specific text when you want edits, tone shifts, or concise summaries. That gives the AI necessary context for precise changes. You can also tweak output length and formality in the suggestion settings, choosing bullets or paragraphs. As you iterate, accept or refine suggestions so the AI learns your preferred structure and produces immediately usable content. To finish, review AI suggestions carefully and accept them when they match your intent, then edit for factual accuracy and to restore your personal voice. If you plan big changes, duplicate the note or use version history so you can revert. If the AI produces irrelevant results or fails, toggle the AI feature off and on, restart the Notes app, and confirm your network and iCloud connection. If problems persist, sign out and back into Apple ID. This sequence resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.